Good morning, dear student and dear learners. Today, we are going to conduct a different session. We are talking about online education versus offline education. What is the benefit of offline education and online education? So, we are here. Welcome to this Howard Talk episode, Mr. Brajbhushan. Brajbhushan, are you ready to talk about online and offline education?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's great. Today in 21st century, this is the very critical situation and also the biggest competition in online education and offline education. But according to the student perspective, which is better, online and offline education? Mr. Bhushan, what is your view about that particular topic?
According to me, offline is better education compared to the online education because we connect to the teachers and friends and environment is important in for a student. So we easily to ask the question, any doubt question from the sir, and it is helpful much better for compared to the online class.
Okay, that's great. This is opportunity also available in the online classes. Maximum and the biggest player in the online education. So they are providing the doubt session also, the separate. You can also ask any questions in their app has the features of ask the doubt. So what would you say like this?
Personal interaction is not on there. So if we are front on the people, so it is the much better, and people ask the very easily question, very easily every doubt question. But in we come from the online classes, so we face some problem. We make a schedule, and maybe service response or not quickly. So and day each come next day problem, other problem will come, and previous is not solved. So disadvantage of online classes.
Okay, but if you see about these classes, like the monetary benefit, the financial condition, one student has the weak financial condition, right? So what would you like to say about that? Because online education and online courses is very cheap compared to the offline classes. What would you say?
Sir, many government organization and government institute has provided good facility in this section, and people are getting advantage of this. And if we want to achieve, so we invest something for yourself. It is maybe definitely come back in one day.
Okay, okay, that's great. And right now, maximum people actually have a smartphone, and maximum people actually engage and induce in their smartphone. So, this is the impact of online education, or this is the very harmful for a student because maximum student the screen time is more than the 5 hour, more than 5 hour each and everyone. So, what would you like to say about that?
Yes, it is the biggest problem nowadays, and people are suffering from eyes problem, eyes weakness, and if we it is will continue, so many patients are coming from the in the eyes problem. So if we solve this problem, so we use on our mobile, our device as per need, not much more.
Okay, Mr. Brajbhushan, this is the last question to you. As a student, what is your experience? Which is very important for a student if any student wanna get success and wanna get the great personality. So, which is best platform, online or offline? What is your advice according to you? Because you are also a student here and you are a student of Howard Institute. So, what is the specialty of Howard Institute? Like you are taking the physical classes and also we are providing the online classes. So, what would you think? Please give one suggestion for student.
I give personal suggestion for every student. If you have a time, so you join offline classes. You get much profit for your careers. You get personal interaction to sir and your benchmate, and you solve your problem easily. And if you do hard work every day, and you get definitely success in your life. So offline classes is much better.
Thank you, Braj Bhushan, to participating in this episode number 7, our talk. And thank you, viewers and dear student. If you wanna get success in your life, you should choose according to your situation. If you have the time, so I think you should choose your offline classes. If you don't have time and don't have so much money to expand on your career, so I think you can also choose the online platform. Both are important, but according to your situation. If you need a physical attention and you want to build your confidence, so it means you should join the offline classes, because offline classes has the lot of activity and a lot of interaction to your classmates and your teachers and other persons, and automatically build your confidence when you participate in the offline classes. So according to your situation, you can choose. So thank you so much, and if you like this session, please like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you. Have a good day.